Hello children, how are you? I'm Ms. ARAZW. Today I'm gonna explain Unit 13 for you. Hope you enjoy my video. Please be with me. Unit 13, Lesson 1. We have look and listen. Student, look at these pictures, okay? And point it to the pictures and listen to the CDs.
Student's Book, Unit 13, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Oh, look! I'm jumping. Yes, up and down, up and down. Look at the van. Look at the box. Yes, up and down, up and down. Look at the box. It's open. And look at the oranges. I like oranges. Look at Kitty. Yes, up and down, up and down. Up and down, up and down.
Okay student, Laura and Evin, what are they doing? They are playing and they say up and down, up and down. Picture 2. Look at this van. A van is coming and Evin say, oh, it's a van, okay? And look at the box. What is inside the box? It's many oranges, okay? And also the van is up and down, up and down. What happened? The box is open and all the oranges spilling out. Okay, picture 3. Look at Evin and Laura say, oh, all of the oranges up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, picture 4. Kitty take one of the oranges and playing and say up and down, up and down. Okay student, now we have point and say. You have to point it to the oranges, okay? Look at the arrows, okay? It shows us the directions of the orange. The oranges, look at student, you have to put your finger and say down and up with me, okay? Yes, let's start. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, thank you. Now we have Unit 13, Lesson 2. Look, point, and say. Okay, student, we have 2 other letters, okay? 2 other letters and some of the words that start with these letters. The first one is letter U, capital U and small u. And what is the sound? The sound is a. Student, capital letters and small letters, they have the same sounds, okay? For both of them we say a, okay? And let us read the words. Up, umbrella, umbrella. Okay, well done. Now go to letter V, capital V and small v. And what is the sound of V? V, it's V. We have to say V. Okay, capital and small, they have the same sound, which is V. Let us read the words. Van. Van. Vas. Okay, student, I ask you a question. What is this? It is up. And what is this? It's a van. What is this? It's an umbrella. And what is this? Very good. It's a vase. Now student, let's see how we write letter A, and V. We have to draw 4 lines, okay? And let us write down, and I put numbers for you, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, capital A, we have to start it from line 1, okay? We have to start it from line 1, okay? Be with me, please. Down, and you make it round like that, up. Again, this is capital A. Down, up. Okay, that's very good. Now, let's write down. Let us write down small a. Small a, down, up, down. Down, up, down. Okay, this is a. Okay, student, now let us write down V. Again, we draw 4 lines for V. We have 2 big lines and 2 small lines. And also, I write it numbers for you. This is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 big lines and 2 small lines. Let us write down capital V. Capital V again, we have to start it from line 1, okay? Down, up. Down, up. This is capital V. What about small v? Capital V and small v, they are the same also in writing, but small v, we have to write it a bit smaller. We have to start it from line 2, down, up, down, up. This is small v. Small v, we write it for the writing, the name of the object is, and capital letters, capital A and capital V, we use it for writing our names. Okay, student, now we have listen and read. Listen and read. Let us listen to the CDs.
Student's Book, Unit 13, Lesson 2. Listen and read.
P, O, T, pot.
Da, o, ga, dog.
T, O, P, top.
Ba, o, x, box.
Okay, student, I ask you a question. What is this? And what is this? It's a top. What is this? It's a box. And what is this? It's a pot. Okay, student, we have to look at the letters, okay? And we have to say the letter sounds, okay? We have to say the letter sounds so as to read the words, okay? Look at, I say P, O, T will be pot. Okay, again, D, O, G, dog. T, O, P, top. B, O, X, box. Okay, student, we have to say the letter sound so as to read any word. Okay, say the sounds of the letter. Okay, student, Unit 13, Lesson 3. We have listen, write, and read. Okay, student, first we have to listen to the CD.
Student's Book, Unit 13, Lesson 3. Listen, write, and read.
What are you writing?
I'm writing top.
T, O, P, top.
What are you writing?
I'm writing 10.
10.
Okay, student, look at this boy. This boy is writing the name. What are the names? The name of these objects, okay? Look at, here it is. Fig, 10, cap, 6, and also top, okay? You have to know how to write the name of these objects because it is very simple. Okay, student? For example, what is this? It's a top, and it's a fig. It is a cap. It is a 10. It is 6. Okay, student, now we have listen and sing. Okay, student, let us listen to the songs and please do the songs, okay? Do the actions with the song, okay? Can you do that? Stand up or sit down, okay? Hand is up, hand is down, and also thumb up, thumb down, okay? Please listen and enjoy with that lesson.
Students' Book, Unit 13, Lesson 3. Listen and sing.
Stand up, sit down.
Hands up, hands down.
Thumbs up, thumbs down. Stand up, stand up. Turn round and round. Sit down, sit down.
Hands up, thumbs up.
Stand up. Sit down.
Okay, student, this is the end of this unit which is the unit 13. I hope you enjoy to my lessons and get benefit from this video. Thank you very much.
ذهبي مع سودان خد في شمال